Glasses down here, and today we are playing the Slender Man White Noise Online, and I am joined with
Killer Shadow XX here.
And if you can hear, just turn up your volume. Don't worry, there's no jump scares. I am a noob. Ha! Anyway, today we are playing White Noise again, like usual.
It doesn't help that you said there's not going to be any jump scares. This is a horror game.
I said I'm a noob. Ha! I meant like jump scares on the screen. Anyway, let's...
Bunker.
Oh god.
Bunker,
God,
we mostly need to get lost in. Bunker, we mostly get lost in.
Ready?
Oh, we're in the bunker.
Let's do this.
We're most likely to get lost. I'm thinking that most likely to get lost in the museum. That's a big map.
Oh god. Orange juice. Find all the... who are you? Ha! You're not that.
I picked a random character since.
Anyway, hey guys, we are playing Halloween, and we're gonna go trick or treating. So let's go trick or treating. Why just? I hear a tape.
Same.
No, I'm scared, man.
Down this way.
Oh, says the tape's right here, Aiden. Shadow. I think I hear a tape.
Remember, we can't get the guy until we find at least one tape.
A guy? Or is it a monster? Or is it
the guy? Legend. You can turn your flashlight off. Turn your flashlight on. Legend has it that people to be abandoned. Wait, look at my shadow. Look at my shadow. Move forwards a little more. Forward.
Look at it.
Legend has it that two people
Shadow
will walk in the bunker and find tapes. But people, two scientists, tried to come here. They never made it out alive. Hey, stop running away! I'm telling stories.
Hi, I'm Bob. I'm one of the scientist
and
kids.
Whoever finds one tape, the monster comes and gets some tape from it.
I'm not gonna go down. There's a camera there, so we're gonna find a camera room first before we go do anything else. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, here, a tape.
No, go. I wish I
could. When you turn around.
Where the hell are you, dude? We have to stay. It's dangerous to go alone. Oh, crap.
Nope, bum.
No, we're together, man.
Meet me at the train.
Oh, thank God we're close together. Where are you? We could have had to end the video there. Okay, I've got blue hair. I'm still masked. What's that? You see me going. They hate it. They're going like I'm going to.
You should have made this on you now.
Right, you did the spinny thing I was doing, yeah? Spin around and turn off your flashlight so they can see it. How cool was it? Spin around! You see me rolling. Do it again.
Rolling.
No, he didn't do it.
The moonwalk. And then the moonwalk backwards. Yeah.
Yeah, Michael Jackson. But why?
We didn't realize there's a big monster coming after us, and we're just in the moonwalk.
Yeah, screw Slender Man or the monster we're getting chased out. Let's do the moonwalk and then dance and punch bad guys.
I forgot this monster may be behind this corner.
That scared the...
Mom, let's get these.
That scared me. That's just like the last video Oh yeah, by the way, if you see the monster for the first time, it's not that scary. But it's still scary. Okay.
One time when we were playing this, he just popped up in front of us and we scared.
We screamed.
Dash us.
Wait, what? What was that? Okay. Whose idea was to play this? Oh yeah, Annihilate.
No, it's you.
Shout out to Annihilate. Hashtag Jamie Shaw, please.
Ethan, it was you.
No, he had the idea. We were talking about the white
It
noise.
was you, Killer Gamer.
No.
It was you.
I never wanted to play this game.
Stop walking in the wall.
Oh.
Up here, we want to get to the actual bunker, the center of the map. It's much better when playing.
That's feet.
It's much better when you're playing.
Yeah, that's
four
so
players.
realistic. So,
Okay, middle bunker.
oh, Cubby's in there. No, don't. He's in there.
It's not. See.
I know there's a tape in here. At least 1 or 2 tapes.
I hate when you can hear a tape but you can't find it.
Welcome
The
to
Matrix.
the Matrix.
I said that first.
We have designed theory. Welcome to.
T.
I've seen
What?
you've grown yourself, Master Sudsactor.
No, I see you grow yourself, E.T.
E.T.
And
And again. Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, up here.
Ah, Master
Now,
Sudsactor.
the chopper's just
Doing just to go along. What the hell
did
did you do, man?
Now, we need to get to the chopper.
How did you why, man? I'm starting to look behind.
Now, where's the chopper?
Why the hell are you over there? I'm over at the other corner.
I'm over here.
Dude, shout out, we gotta stick together. We need to see what this means.
Ethan, let's just go. Jesus, I thought you were him to say. Come on, Ethan.
Is that surface?
Come on.
Wait up, man.
Gamer.
Anyway, leave suggestions what you guys want me to play again. We'll play next. Any horror games?
Come on.
Probably no. We're gonna stick with this one for a while.
Come on.
What the hell are you?
Behind
Oh, that
you.
way. It doesn't show me looking down, does it?
No.
Dun, dun.
Done.
You see me rolling. I hate him.
We need to find
Pissing on the ground is so dirty, trying to have me
We need to
ready.
find at least 3 tapes.
Did.
before the end.
I've been told for this door is Narnia.
Ethan, over here.
So I believe that monster's the lion. And he's got frozen by the way. Where the hell are you? Oh, I've not been here. I think.
Take him on his
Oh, just
cell.
the jail cell. This is I hear. Do you guys hear? It? It's over in this cell.
I don't see. Turn the volume down here.
Mike Sonic. I don't think so.
I got tape, you got tape.
Okay, I'm just gonna walk around in a circle. That way when we see the map, we're gonna see me walking around in a circle. Okay, I'm not gonna get out of the cell. Sometimes you wish you didn't get out of jail.
I know.
Wait, Bunker 51. This is Area 51.
I'm in a jail. Where do we say? From some people, from an airplane. Yeah.
Wait,
I'm sleeping in bed. My head's on top. And you
I called top bunk. What the hell are you doing? I called top bunk. Yeah, monster, I don't want to live in this world anymore.
We rescue while going through. Wait, where are you
Okay,
going?
here's the new and improved washing machine. You can also take a crap in it.
Yeah. I'm walking through it. I'm peeing.
And you can get your feet right through them so you don't have to worry about sitting down. It's the new and improved washing bath 5 million.
Yeah, you can walk through. See with these beds.
Beds.
And high definition bed.
You can also go through other beds.
And bed.
And we're playing a game.
And said timber. And go through this door.
I kind of wish I died.
Cerebrals.
Who are you?
I just want to get scared by now because this is dull.
I know, I'm bored. I hear tape.
Free to earn. We want to spike all the tapes.
Alright, we got free tapes.
Probably
I'm not gonna
find
chicken
bunch
out.
of free tapes. Only finding this guy once.
I know.
They should really update this game. If you're playing Slenderman.
What are you
should
doing, man? What are you doing?
If you were playing Slenderman
Okay.
and you found one
What
of
the-
the pages, then you've at least found them like 6 times.
What are you doing, man? You're making this kind of
In here!
What? Well, and a press conference. Oh no, we're gonna launch to the moon.
Do your tape.
Over here. I thought or something.
Wait, I remember to tape this. Come with me.
Well, use teleport.
For
Okay,
one,
good.
I really don't give a crap.
I'm scared, man. Hey, where are you?
At the top.
God damn it. I forgot you can still see me because your flashlight's on. It's on the other side of here, but the monster's blocking it.
Sweet. I wish I could get a longer look at all. She's gone before you.
Jeez, that time it is.
Come on,
I can hear it.
Dreamer.
I can hear it. Over here.
Hey, I thought it was only LT to run. It's apparently RT to run as well.
No, it's for one, both of them are for 1 feet.
You know, one of us should die.
Why? Where is this? XO Intelligence Bureau, United States.
Of America.
Okay, it looks like they upgraded the compass. Nice look, nice look. Mwah. Good luck.
Come on.
No, Lena!
This time you lead the way.
Oh god, I don't like reading away.
You need to focus.
Focusing isn't my
Which way
thing.
should we go, left or right? I think left.
You mean up? I'm going up.
Oh, yes. There's another way. I'll just leave.
Oh,
Take. You were right. Where do you seek his presence?
okay, that's the computers we were just at. That you lead the way this time. Oh, he's running over the cage there. I like how two kids just want to be in Area 51 and followed by a monster. Stop collecting these tapes. And, oh yeah, it says at the start, we've sent in people, aka kids, teenagers, not adults,
Or at least the government.
to get radio tape so they can discover a Oh
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
that's not the tape, that is the real.
Whoa, what? Don't look behind you. There's
What?
another one of them green tree things.
Mm.
I've never seen this.
I thought it was a ritual. What a ritual, well.
You hear a tape nearby?
Yeah. I think, no.
Right up here.
No hidden, I mean, no. In here.
Maria hit it from there. It's good, it's good.
Anyway, we're gonna not die because we're awesome. I don't think we're gonna die. Oh my god, it's a UFO. But if that's a UFO, what the hell? Write in the comments what you think. Not what that thing's called, but why is it attached to the bottom of it?
Oh, that was in the minging right there.
That's why I'm saying it. Because if you're gonna see that and say it's not
Ming.
ugly, under a UFO. Beep. Okay, UFO. Yeah, we just been to that. Okay, so this way.
Who's brave enough to write in the comments to say that's not ugly?
Dude, I know one person. And it's a person that said in the middle of the video. What? Oh, wait, what's this guy doing? Yoink! Where the hell are we going, man? Oh god, run! I'm dead, 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 I'm
And you
dead.
know when you oh wait.
Huh.
Oh, what did you die? 'Cause once you die, your ghost and everything's white.
You don't see the monster. Well, video's been on for a while.
How long has it been on for?
But 18 minutes.
Wow, we've only got 3 takes.
We suck. What was this? Confidential.
Confidential.
What was the joystick there? We can play some video games on here. You want to play some Mario Kart?
No, I'd rather play some Call of Duty.
No, we want to play some White Noise. Buy it now for only 69p. And this is true. Not Microsoft points because they were too idiotic to remove Microsoft points.
I thought you were just about to say $69.99.
69.99.
And I would buy a game $69.99.
I wouldn't buy this game for that money.
I know, it's an indie game.
Now, this is a horror. Who wants to buy a Slenderman parody horror?
When you can get Slenderman for free.
Anyway, tell us in the comments where you want to see us next. We're not into the video right now. You can probably tell because the video is probably a wee bit longer. We just died a couple seconds later. Or it's a wee bit more longer. Like it takes.
Good thing we upgraded the time to more than 15 minutes.
If we didn't, we would have had to end the video. That makes sense. And if you guys don't want to write in the comments what game we should play next, then I'm going to play some Parker Z with
Screw it, I'm dying. Screw it, he said run, he's dying.
What?
Ah! Don't die! Wait, what?
Wait, PewDiePie? Did he just...
I said don't die!
I came to help you, man.
That's because if you need a ghost that doesn't get affected by the monster. So if the monsters come, and just walk past them, see if it's worth it for a tape.
I was coming to help you, sacrifice my life for you, and
I walked more than you.
screams one.
More screams.
Okay,
Right.
oh wait, let's see what's part I walked in the circle for a couple of minutes. That's, oh, was the mineral. This is when we're at the train station probably. No, it's not. This is when we're going to take.
That's
Yeah,
what we're at.
that's when we're doing the moonwalk. Where's when we're in the jail cells is walking in a circle?
And then we're just walking around for a bit.
Me again, man.
Look where I went.
Jesus. There was tons, the top of the map, we didn't
Oh,
even
this is better.
we were just walking, spinning around in the jail cell.
And then we're just talking about advertising.
Alright, I hope you guys loved this video. I'll see you guys next time.
We explored everything but the top bit of the map.
I know we did.